Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm showing how to recall an email in Outlook. Suppose you sent an email to someone else and you are thinking that, or you are rethinking that you want to recall that particular email. So what you can do, there is an option in Outlook to recall the emails, but the thing you need to understand, it may not be 100% successful first of all, because there are a lot of factors including or factors affecting this recall functions, especially if the email has been read already or if it's a different server, and there are a lot of factors affecting that one. But in all the cases you can send a message that you are trying to recall the email, or you want to recall that particular email. So basically, let's see how we can do that one. I'll show you what are the results as well. Click on the new email for us to test the feature, and I'm gonna send an email to myself, just to make sure that I should be able to recall that particular email. Alright, so the message has been sent and it should be in my sent mail in a couple of seconds. It has to be received on my inbox. Okay, it has already received on my inbox, so I can see that particular email here test. And what I'm gonna do, I just want to recall the mail. So just focus on the video from the steps. Just open the email by double clicking, and after that you will see here on the top there is an actions option. There are three options: rules, OneNote, and actions. Click on the actions, which is down below, and there is an option in the second option is recall this message. So when you click on recall this message, a new window will be appearing like this, where you have two options, like delete the unread copies of this message, and delete unread copies and replace with the new message. So in this step, two emails will be sent, the one which is already sent and the second one with the corrections. So in our case, what we're gonna do, we just want to delete the unread copies of this message. Whatever messages which are unread, we will have to remove that messages. And after that, we can also check this option to inform us whether the recall was successful or it is a failed attempt. So I'll always choose this option, whether I just want to know that if it's successful or not, because this will help us how many people has how many people in the conversation was able to recall the message from those contacts, and from which contacts we were not able to recall the message. Okay, fine. Just click OK on this message, and that's it. Now I'm gonna close this one or minimize, and gonna come over here. I should be able to receive a failed or successful notification for that particular email. Alright, so the read receipt was on already for me, because the email that I have received, it's already was read, because I already have read receipts given. So message recall is failed, of course, because the thing is, since I have the read receipts, automatically it has been processed, so the message cannot be recalled. So this recall was unsuccessful. But if you are sending to someone else, you can try it out. You can send to someone else for testing, and you can try to recall the message. Of course, the procedure is gonna be same, no difference. You just need to click on the message and the sent message. This was the message we have sent. Go here, and you can even see here you're trying to recall this message on 11th August at 13:24. Gonna click action and recall for all the emails that you have sent. What you need to do, just need to open the message from the sent items and do the procedure. Alright guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel, click the bell icon for notification. Take care, goodbye.